Okay, honey. So you're 2 months old. Very nice. Are you jealous? Don't be jealous. Okay. So let's see. There you go. You're 2 months old. You're just about 2 months old. You are, I'm going to guess, we haven't weighed you in a while, but I'm going to guess you're about 9.5 pounds, maybe even more than that. So you're putting on weight nicely. And you're starting to smile like crazy. Yeah. What a good boy. Oh, yeah? Meanwhile, right next to you, Vegas watches intently. Okay, Hudson. No. Good boy. You also seem to like the camera quite a bit, which is cool. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh. Yeah.